Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add or change the URL of your website on Wix. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on the dashboard for one of my sites, and what I'm going to do here is go to my All Sites view by clicking here and going to All Sites. And once that opens, then we can modify the URLs of any of our sites. Now, as you've seen previously, the site I was on is Site 5, and if I go onto Site 5 and click on the Site Actions button with these three dots, it's going to open up this menu where we want to press Rename Site. That's going to open up this pop-up, and as you can see, the site name is Site 5, and here is the site address. Now, if you're on the free version and you don't have a paid domain, you have a free domain by Wix, and it looks something like this: https then your username .wixsite.com/ and then the custom URL at the end. And I'm gonna just put in Site 5 tutorial, for example, and as you can see, it fits the formatting of the URL. Then you can just click save, and then you have changed the URL of your site. Now I'll just go into the dashboard for that site, but another thing I want to show you is this is the editor for the site, and what I'm going to do is go into Pages and Menu, and keep in mind I am currently on the test page. If I go into this icon here, or the three dots next to the page that I want, and go into SEO Basics, here you can see the URL slug, or the part of the URL that's going to be added to the end for this specific page. Now if I go to Home, just like so, if I go to SEO Basics here, as you can see, you cannot change the URL of your home site. The URL of your home page is just going to be the URL of your site that we've modified previously, but you can pretty much change the URL for each other page that is not your home page, and you can even set new pages as your home page by going into SEO Basics, or into Page Info rather, and as you can see, you can set it as your home page, and then your site URL is just going to be the URL for this page. And that is basically all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.